Hi friend, it's a continuing lecture of phenol. In this scene, general reactions of phenol under two main leads. First one, a reaction involving the phenolic hydroxyl group. Then a second one, reaction involving the aromatic group. Okay. Reaction involving the phenolic hydroxyl group. Okay. In the first case, acidity and salt formation of phenol. In this PCS syllabus, acidity of phenols are an important topic. The acidity of a compound is defined as its proton releasing ability in the presence of water. Okay, in this case, Lewis base. Then phenols behave as a weak acid because they ionize when dissolved in water to form phenoxide ion. Okay, this one formation of phenoxide ion. Okay, in water. Phenols are markedly more acidic than alcohol, although less than carboxylic acid. Okay, this is evident from the values of acidity constant. Okay, in this case, ethanol 10 to the power minus 18, then phenol 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 10, and acetic acid 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5. Okay, this is a constant value of acid. Okay. The easy with which phenol release a proton is explained by the difference in the resonance stabilization of the phenol and its phenoxide ion. Okay, as we know, phenol is a resonance hybrid of 5 forms. Okay, this one 5 resonance structure form. It may be noted that both phenol and phenoxide anion have 2 Kekulé form. Okay, this one are 2 Kekulé form. In addition, they have 3 other charge form each with the negative charge on the ortho and para position. Okay, this one ortho and this one para position. Okay, in phenol this charge 3 and 5. Okay, 3 and 5 contribute much less to the hybrid than do Kekulé form 1 and 4. Okay, 1 and 4. This is so because charge separation, cost energy, and high energy forms cannot stabilize the hybrid much. The resonance form of the phenoxide ion, in which the charge is in the ring, however, acquire no charge separation. The charge is only delocalized. Okay, this one only delocalization of the charge. Hence, this forms 3 and 5. Okay, 3 and 5. Stabilize the phenoxide anion very much, thus relatively the resonance. Okay, hybrid of the phenoxide anion is much more stable than the resonance hybrid of the phenol itself. Okay, since the phenoxide anion hybrid is more stable than the phenol hybrid structure, the equilibrium in displays to the right, releasing proton ions. Okay, this explains why phenols can behave as acid. Okay. The next point, effect of a substituent on acidity of phenol. In this case, first electron releasing substituent. Okay, one example: an electron releasing substituent A. Electron releasing substituent is a methyl group. Pumps electron into the benzene system and intensify the negative charge of the phenoxide anion. Okay, this makes the anion less stable, thereby decreasing the acidity of phenols. Okay, these one reactions occur. A pumps electron into the ring, strengthens the negative charge on phenoxide ion. Okay, this one a phenoxide anion, and destabilize it and decreasing acidity of phenol. Okay, in this case, decreasing the phenol acidity. Second one, electron withdrawing substituent. In this case, electron withdrawing substituent B. In this case, some example: nitro. Okay, nitro gas, then aldehyde and acidic group. Okay, withdraws the electron from the ring system, which result in the dispersal of the negative charge of the phenoxide anion. This stabilizes the phenoxide anion and therefore the acidity of phenol increases. Okay, this one reactions example of the electron withdrawing group. Okay, withdraw the electron from the ring, thereby decreasing the negative charge or phenoxyaniline and stabilizing it, which enhance the acidity of phenol. Okay, in this case acidity was increasing. This explains why methyl benzene are less acidic than phenol, while chlorophenols are more acidic than phenol. Okay, these are the distinguished. Okay, why acidity increasing or decreasing. The intensification of the negative charge on the isomeric chlorphenoxyaniline will depend on the distance of the electron pumping group from the oxygen group. Okay, this one oxygen group and this one the distance. Okay, in this para position. Okay, in this meta position, in this case para position. Okay, both oxygen and fluorine para position. That is why the values of acidity constant for the isomeric chlorophenols follow the order. Okay, first one ortho positions greater than meta position and para position. Okay, a substituent such as the nitro group, when the present ortho or para to the hydroxyl group, withdraws the electron from the benzene ring system by inductive and resonance effect. Okay, this stabilizes the phenoxyaniline by dispersal of the negative charge as shown below in the case of para-nitrophenol. Okay, in this case para-nitrophenol. Okay, shifting a charge. Therefore nitrophenol are much more acidic than the phenols. Okay, these are distinguishing. Phenols are less acidic than the nitrophenol. Okay, the marked lower acidity in case of a meta-isomer is explained by the fact that meta-nitrophenoxide anion is stabilized by the inductive effect only. Okay, in this case not occurring resonance effect. No resonance effect operates with the nitro group, absence of conjugate system. Okay, the cumulative effect of 3 nitro groups in 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, also called as a picric acid, it makes strongly acidic as a mineral acid. Okay, next point, preparation of phenol. In this case various methods using for preparation of phenol. तुम्हाला इथे प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फिनॉलच्या नोट्स काढायच्या आहेत. ओके, इथे प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फिनॉलच्या मेथड दिलेल्या आहेत. फर्स्ट वन, हायड्रोलिसिस ऑफ डायझोनियम सॉल्ट, देन अल्कली फ्युजन ऑफ सोडियम अरिन सल्फोनेट. थर्ड वन, हायड्रोलिसिस ऑफ अरिल हलाइड. देन फोर्थ वन, डिकार्बोक्सिलेशन ऑफ फेनोलिक एसिड. फिफ्थ वन, ऑक्सिडेशन ऑफ Grignard reagent followed by the hydrolysis. And sixth one, commercial preparation. Okay, in this case from coal tar and from cumene derivative from petroleum. Okay, these are all the preparation of the phenol method. Okay, next point, reactivity and reactions of phenol. These are all the reactions of phenol. Okay, तुम्हाला याच्या नोट्स काढायच्या आहेत. मॉरिन्सन, बॉइड अँड बहलॅन बल या रेफरन्स बुक मधनं. Okay, in this case first reactions of phenol, acidity, salt formation, ether formation, Williams synthesis, then ester formation. Fourth one, ring substitution. In this case various reactions occur: nitration, sulfonation, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation, Fries rearrangement, then nitrosation, coupling with diazonium salt, carbonation, Kolbe reaction, aldehyde formation, Riemann-Tiemann reactions, reaction with the formaldehyde. These are the all reactions of phenol. Okay, reactions of phenol method. Then the qualitative test of the phenol. Okay, some identification purpose of qualitative test are important. First one, solubility test. If the substance is more soluble in sodium hydroxide solution than in water, but insoluble in sodium bicarbonate, it is probably a phenol. Okay, it's a phenol was determined. Second test, ferric chloride test. Okay, to the aqueous or ethanolic solution of the substance, add a few drop of a neutral ferric trichloride solution. The appearance of an intense color, red, green or black. Okay, it confirms the presence of a phenol. Bromine water test. In this case, bromine water test is bromine water is added to aqueous solution of the substance until the yellow color of bromine persists. The formation of precipitate confirms the presence of phenol. Okay. Next test, Lieberman test. The substance is warmed with a little concentrated sulfuric acid and sodium nitrate. Okay. The dark colored product so obtained is treated with the dilute sodium hydroxide solution. The production of intense blue or green color confirms the presence of a phenol. Okay. These are all tests identified the phenol. Okay. The next one, spectral analysis. In this case, using ultraviolet spectroscopic method, then IR, okay, infrared spectroscopic method. Okay. While alcohol are almost transparent in the UV spectrum, phenols have moderately strong absorption arising from the benzene ring. Thus, phenol has band. Okay, band was shown 210 nanometer. Okay. The next one, the infrared absorption region of the phenolic hydroxy group stitching is the same as that of for alcohol. Okay, 3600 centimeter. In addition, carbon oxygen stretching absorption is also characteristic of the hydroxyl containing compound. Okay, in this shown in phenol and as well as alcohol. In phenols it occur near 1200 centimeter. In alcohol 1100. Okay, these are the difference in the peak. (1200) and 1100. Okay, the benzene nucleus is identified by its own absorption spectrum. However, there are the complications due to the intermolecular hydrogen bonding or intramolecular hydrogen bonding in a various ortho derivative. Okay. Uses of phenol. Okay, last point. Phenols has a number of commercial uses. In this case, first one, in the manufacture of phenol, formaldehyde, plastics, and bakelite. Okay. Second one, for the production of the cyclohexanol required for the production of nylon. As a starting material for the manufacture of a pharmaceutical product such as salicylic acid, salol, aspirin, okay, etc. Fourth one, for making a picric acid, for phenolphthalein and certain other dyes. Okay, for preparation of 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid, a weed killer, and 2,4-dichloro-3,5,4-methylphenol, a powerful antiseptic. Okay, also called as a Dettol. Some structure and its uses. Okay, by the PCI syllabus, some important structure and its uses. First one, cresol. Okay, mixture of cresol is used as a preservative for timber, railway slipper. For making a liquid disinfectant, Lysol, a solution of cresol in soapy water. For manufacture of synthetic resin, plasticizer, dyes, and explosive. Okay. Then resorcinol is the structure of the resorcinol. Okay, resorcinol is used as a antiseptic in ointment for eczema. For manufacturing a number of dyes such as azo-dyes, fluororesin, EOC. Okay, for preparing. Then for Hazel resorcinol, a powerful antiseptic for curing hookworm and urinary disorder. Okay, next one, for preparing certain aldehyde resin needed for the bonding plywood. Okay. Naphthol. Naphthol has several different uses including dyes, pigment, fats, oils, insecticides, pharmaceuticals, perfumes, antiseptic, synthesis of fungicides, and antioxidant for rubber. Okay, these are all the uses of the naphthol. Your homework, prepare notes on chapter phenol. In these notes all points are covered. Add a difference between alcohol and phenol. Okay. Reference, some Morrison Boyd and Ball and Ball reference book was used, and some pictures was using in. Okay, by name. Thank you.